Welcome to Primary 4, Integrated Science, Lesson 10 of the 5th week. Members, we are still moving with our body organs, and we are having the last body organ, that is the skin. We know that the skin is the largest body organ in the body, and it is found outside the body of an organism. The skin is the sense organ for touch or feeling. When we talk about the body senses, we talked about the sense of touch or feeling, and it is the skin that responds towards this body sense. So the skin is a sense organ for feeling. Then we have uses of the skin. That's one, the skin removes sweat from the body. When you have done vigorous exercise, you find yourself sweating. That sweat comes through the skin. Then the skin also regulates body temperatures. When the temperature of the body, when the body temperatures are low, you find the skin developing loose pimples to prevent further heat from coming out. Then when the temperatures are high, you find yourself sweating. Like on hot days, people sweat more to reduce the temperature. And on cold days, people develop goosey pimples on their skin, such that they reduce on the heat which is coming out of the body. Then the skin also prevents germs from entering our bodies. Lastly, the skin protects our internal body organs. All our internal body organs are covered outside by the skin. Then diseases of the skin, we have one, leprosy. Then we have ringworms, measles, scabies, boils, and arthritis foot. Those are some of the diseases that can affect our skin. We shall have to elaborate this more when we reach P7, when we shall be talking about the human skin. Now we have disorders of the skin. I told disorders are conditions that can affect an organ not to perform properly, but they are not diseases. One, we have cuts. You can get a cut when you play with sharp objects. Then we also have blisters. For example, you have got a burn, and it's a second-degree burn where you develop what? Blisters on the. Blisters are swollen skin having fluids under them. Then we have skin rash. You know rashes. Pimples. These ones affect the faces. Mostly when you have reached the adolescent stage, you cannot skip it. Then we have dryness or cracks. Some people don't want to apply Vaseline on their body. You find the skin cracking. Then how can we care for the skin? One, by bathing regularly using clean water and soap. Whether we bathe with clean water and soap, we are killing germs. There are two questions asked here. Why we bathe regularly with the clean water is to remove germs. Why you bathe regularly with clean water and soap is to kill germs. Wherever you see water and soap together in a sentence, you are killing germs. Where there's only water, you are removing germs. Then also you can apply Vaseline to keep the skin soft, to prevent that dryness of the skin. Apply Vaseline on your body after bathing. Do not share underwears, towels, combs, and with an infected person. Remember that most of these diseases like ringworms, measles, scabies, and arthritis foot come as a result of poor hygiene. Then if you are sharing these underwears and somebody is having the ringworms, somebody is having scabies, you can also develop. Wearing the wet socks, you can develop arthritis foot. So make sure that you dry your socks before you wear them in your foot to prevent arthritis foot. Members, below there we have questions, topical questions. For the whole topic since we started talking about this topic of human body organs, all those questions about the human or the body organs are given below, and expect to answer them and send for marking. Thank you for listening. We meet in the next topic. See you.